This is our new project, Morris Minor, 1963. There it is. A lot of rot. Look at the doors. The rest of it's not bad though. It's had new floors. We've got the middle out there because we're changing the brake master cylinder. That is just dirt and not rust. Interior's okay. We've had a few problems. First one was the starter motor continued to turn even when we'd stopped trying to start the car. It turned out to be this here. It's like a solenoid, it's the pull start. When you pull the starter inside, it pulls this little pin through which starts the engine. And when you push the starter back in, it pushes it out. Well, that was sticking in, so it kept the starter spinning. The way we were starting it was with the cable onto the starter. We was just touching that, which was starting the engine, and it was turning over and running okay. But that's a fix for it not starting on the button. All we did was spray it in there with a bit of GT85, in and out with some pliers. Same with the button on the inside, which is that little pull start there, cable through there to there. So we lubed all that up, got it moving again, and it starts fine now.